Hey, you guys, we are back in the kitchen today, and I am so excited to be showing you how to make these incredible, beautiful hot cocoa bombs. These are so much fun to make. They are a hit in our house, and I'm sure they will be in your house too. They're a very fun project to do with kids. They make amazing gifts, and they're pretty simple to make. So let me show you how I make them. For the marbled effect, I'm going to be using semi-sweet chocolate chips as well as white chocolate chips, and I'm going to melt those separately in double broilers. If you don't have a double broiler, you can also just use a stainless steel bowl in a pot of simmering water, and that works just fine. Once they're completely melted, combine them ever so gently and give them just a super gentle swirl. You really don't want to overdo this part. Once you're happy with your swirl, pour about a tablespoon into your silicone molds, and I used a basting brush to spread them evenly, and that worked really well. Once they're set, pop those beauties out and fill half of the shells. I'm going to be making my own hot cocoa mix, but you could definitely use a pre-mixed store-bought hot cocoa. That is totally fine. I'm using 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a spoonful of miniature marshmallows. You could also put peppermint candies in there. I just didn't have any, or I would have. And then I glued them together using more melted chocolate. And the final result is this absolutely stunning and totally giftable hot cocoa bomb. To serve them, pour steamy hot milk over the top, and they melt and explode, and the marshmallows pop out, and they're so much fun. They're super fun to give. I love to gift these to people. They're super fun to receive. People love to receive these. If you make them, let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.